Hi all, this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now looking at both the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar, both at their spot rates, both versus the US dollar in here, both going through corrective rebounds, but both have intermediate term, long to longer term bearish themes very much intact. So here, first of all, Aussie dollar, see this rebound activity, the market pushing higher, but the whole sell-off we had in here from March through this 74.87 level back in April, and then a more forceful push down through there in late April and early May, all pointing to a more negative theme. We do have a long term bigger picture in here, multi-month range pattern in here, but the market in a downtrend within that range pattern, and certainly on an intermediate term basis, we're looking for a move towards the lower end of that range, maybe down through 73 towards 72 as we go out into June. But for maybe the last part of May in here, potentially for a slight higher correction. If we zoom in to the intraday chart, maybe a risk for a push higher towards up here above 75, maybe towards 75.56 before we get the more bearish down leg coming through late May into June. Similar story here for New Zealand dollar, starting off on the short-term chart. So the market kind of consolidating sideways in here, and there is risk for a push higher up through 69.50, maybe back towards 70.15. But whilst below 70.53, we see this bigger bearish theme intact. And again, if we zoom out to the daily chart in here, you can see this whole sell-off in here, not only the sell-off in here from February, March, but also the whole sell-off in here from September of last year. Bigger topping structure, a broad swinging downtrend. So there is risk for a further correction higher, maybe up towards 70 going into late May, but then bigger threat we feel lower, having taken out 68.67 down to 68.14 in May, looking for a deeper correction down towards these targets with a 66 handle into June. But for for late May now, maybe for a push higher towards 70 before we get that move towards back down below 68.14 towards 67.66. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.